Cash value means free money. Not exactly. Let's unpack that. When people talk about using their cash value, they're often referring to taking out a policy loan. Notice the word loan. You're generally borrowing against the value that's accumulated inside the policy, and like many loans, interest is typically involved. That doesn't automatically make policy loans bad. In fact, they can be a useful feature in the right circumstances, but they're also not something you should use without understanding the consequences. Here's why. If you borrow from the policy and never repay that loan, the outstanding balance along with the accrued interest can reduce the amount ultimately paid to your beneficiaries. That's something I really want people to understand because from my claims expertise, I've seen families surprised by the amount ultimately payable. Not because the insurance company did something wrong, but because the policy owner didn't fully understand how that policy worked. That's why education matters.